Greetings, Mark Brown here. We're going to be looking at how we can change the font size right here in our database. Alright, so first we want to double click. So notice we want to change the font size of the table. So we're going to highlight one, come all the way over here. You notice set text formatting, you're going to click right here. You notice all of these are going to put it on 20. You notice this is exactly what it looks like. If I go back again, I put it on 14, this is what it looks like. If I go and I put it at 36, this is what the data looks like right here. I go back and carry to 22, this is how the data look like. Okay, down to 12. Does it look like? Put it to 14 on a normal scale. So this is how you actually change the font size right in our database right here. So thanks for watching. See you in the next.